everyone, Maxine here, Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today I have a flip through on a finished journal that I wanted to share. This journal is called Cherish, and I have a definition of Cherish right here on the cover. It's got this beautiful little fabric snippet thingy. I'm not sure what you would call it, but it's just layers and layers of fabric and lace and buttons and trim and this little butterfly, fabric butterfly. And anyway, I really like how that turned out. It's three signatures. I think it's, wait a minute. Yeah, 3 signatures. And let's open her up. And yeah, this is full of pockets and tuck places and places to write little notes and tuck them away. There's a fabric flip with an envelope, tags and corner tucks, some paper trim I made, some dyed papers, and of course coffee dyed papers, some stamping. Here is a little some coffee dyed music paper. I love that. And open this up, and we have a pocket here to tuck things away. I love that. I love having little places like that where you can tuck away maybe smaller mementos, ticket stubs, or what have you that, you know, might get lost easily somewhere else, but we have a nice small little place to tuck them away. If I could tie a bow this morning. So, little pocket, stuff in there, some lace. It's another one with some trim, fabric trim that I ran along the side here, and this is a little, has a little tuck spot here, and inside there is I think it's a double belly band, so you could tuck things in both places. Here's another little pocket and another little pocket for small little things, and then on the back there's a couple more areas to tuck small little things in. I think that's fun. Lots of room for writing or your own design work, your own art. Here is a side pocket. This one has a little tuck in it with one of my wax seals on there. This is the center of the first signature. Some more coffee dyed. I love coffee dyed paper. A little side tuck with some collage. Writing, well, blank pages for whatever you want to do with them, whether you want to use it for writing or your own artwork, sketches, or, you know, anything like that. Life, a sequence of endless possibilities strung together into a uniquely beautiful patchwork. This envelope to tuck things into. That's a little tuck spot there. Another several pockets here. Layered pockets. I love this paper. I don't use it very often. I really like it. It's great for, you know, the cover of a signature. Another pocket, envelope, more dyed papers. It's amazing to me, as many journals as I've made, and yet every one of them is different. No two are alike at all. I mean, they don't even have the same number of pages because I don't use a formula. I don't, you know, I don't have any kind of rules where a signature is 8 pages or 10 pages or something like that. I don't do any of that stuff. So, you know, all my journals are totally different. Even the number of pages, you know, is not going to match. Here's a little upward pocket or tuck spot with some tags and stuff in there. That's cute, like that. And this opens up. And we have a tuck spot here. And a little pocket there. Oh, and then it opens up this way. And there's a tuck spot here. And, ooh, look at this. It is an antique postcard from Chicago that actually has writing on it. I love those. I love the ones that have writing, but isn't that pretty? Oh, you should feel this. The paper. I mean, you can tell by feeling the paper that it's old. Because, you know, we don't have paper like that anymore. And this tuck spot I made with layering fabric and some laces and stuff. So that is cool. Wait a minute. Maybe it goes in here. There we go. Make sure it's in there. And the last signature. More pockets. Tag with another wax seal. Some paper trim I made. Another pocket. Oops. This is straw paper from Italy. I hoard that. But I did use some in this journal, so that makes this journal extra special because it has straw paper from Italy. There's an envelope with some fabric that I have stamped on and did a little collage thing with. Oops. Put it in there. Here, little tag with some sewing on it and some lace. Little tag with some more sewing and some fabric on there. There's something about this. It feels like, there we go, pocket. I thought, oh, that feels like there's something more going on there. An old ad for chocolates. And there's the end of it. So anyway, that is Cherish. And I hope you liked this journal and got some ideas from some of the embellishments. And until next time, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.